Get it, our other partner in crime, Carson Meredith. Do you want to get a check of that forecast? We're dealing with some rain. Some of those storms, though, could potentially be a little severe.
He's a real criminal bringing this weather in here for us.
Yeah, I know. Guilty as charged the last 3 days, guys. And unfortunately, this active weather pattern is not going anywhere. But you know, the big difference today compared to yesterday and Monday is we're going to have a little more wind energy to work with. And what does that mean? That means at least a higher chance for maybe some more damaging wind gusts later on. Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network focusing on Decatur right now. Still some very heavy rainfall right on top of town, down towards Hartselle, Falkville as well. The heaviest rain, though, is going right along 565, getting close to County Line Road. This is going to be heading towards Toyota Field and the Arsenal, South Huntsville as well. But this storm does continue to weaken. So yes, we're going to have some heavy downpours in the metro for your lunch hour, maybe some lightning strikes as well. But we're not expecting anything severe just yet. Let's show you what's happening, though, in northern Mississippi. I mentioned a few minutes ago, we were watching that big cluster of storms in Arkansas a little while ago. It has completely fallen apart. But just ahead of what's left of that big cluster of storms, well, we've got new thunderstorms firing up. This one near New Albany, Mississippi, not severe yet, but I do expect these storms to intensify and increase in coverage throughout the rest of your Wednesday afternoon. So for your pool forecast, it's not the best day to be by the pool. I did drop our high temperature to around 86 degrees today, given we've had a little bit more cloud cover than expected throughout the day so far. Here's your updated severe weather outlook. This just came down about 15 minutes ago. No major changes. You notice that level 2 risk in orange stretches from northern Mississippi here into our Alabama counties as well. The further north you go, so if you're watching us in Fayetteville, Pulaski, Tennessee, Lawrenceburg, the threat is just a little bit lower. But we could all still see very heavy rain, flooding, and damaging wind gusts. Those are the two main concerns that we're watching for you. Some of those stronger storms, just like we saw here in Huntsville yesterday, could also have some large hail, quarter, maybe ping pong ball size hail. All of that is on the table. Tornado threat, it's very, very low. We're not too worried about tornadoes today. Here we go with future radar, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Start to see some of those first storms in northwest Alabama. The main window for severe storms is 2 o'clock today until 9 o'clock this evening. Look how these storms expand in coverage going through the evening hours. Once we lose that daytime heating, those storms will weaken. We'll have a few lingering showers overnight tonight. And look at this. Once we get towards Thursday morning, clouds start to move out, and tomorrow looks virtually dry. Only to have another round of storms on Friday, of course. So as far as the exact timing and locations of where we could see strong storms Friday, that's still a little bit iffy at this point. I think the better chances are to our south and west, but we'll also have to keep a close eye on that Friday system as well. But once we get past that Friday weather maker, the weekend, not too bad. 84 Saturday, 87 Sunday, staying mostly dry. But look at the 7-day forecast, especially early next week. The heat will be back in a big way. 91 Monday and the hottest day of the year next Tuesday when we are at 94 degrees.